Hey guys, Jordan here with Lightroom, and today I'm going to show you how to fix lens distortion in Lightroom. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into Lightroom, and this is a pretty simple process. Under the development tab on your toolbar side, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to select go under lens correction, open it up if it's not open, and select enable profile correction, and that adjusts your photos automatically for the lens that is on your camera. Now sometimes you're dealing with a manual lens or one that doesn't know what lens it is in the metadata of the image, so in that case you're going to have to fine-tune the distortion manually versus having it automatic. If for some reason you're using a lens adapter, you can also look down in the menu here for the make and model of that particular lens, or find one that's very similar to the one that you were using, and that'll get you pretty close to the result that you're looking for when adjusting for lens distortion. Alright guys, well I hope you found this video informational. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel as we consistently put out content just like this. If you had any additional questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer those for you. And as always, thanks for watching. We will see you guys on the next one.